Test?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now, okay, sorry. Hey guys, Reuben here. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to The Roast, Cooking with Reuben. I am your host. I feel like I should have rhymed again after that. Welcome to The Roast. I'm your host, Reuben. And you guys know what I'm gonna be doing? I don't know if that worked. Let's just move past that. Today we're going to be cooking some great food. It's going to be showing you just a couple meals that are my go-to meals. I'm excited to share them with you guys. Of course, be safe out there. Make sure that if you are going to be cooking that an adult is nearby. We can go from there. Let's get right into it. All right, so today we're going to be eating burritos, guys. I'm so excited. I wish I had a burrito. It's right here. Look at this amazing thing. You see how it's like you're sitting there saying, "Eat me. Stop it. Stop it." Oh, man. You know what? My guest here, my mom, she's my mom. Don't we look alike? Kind of, just a little bit. You know what, Mom? I just want you to eat it and just give me your honest opinion. Tell me you like it. And we'll go from there. Just go ahead and pick it up.
All right.
Specially wrapped for you.
Here we go.
Wow.
Mm.
So,
It's pretty good.
It's fire, right? Fire.
Really good.
It's amazing. You see how the perfect bite mark, that can only happen depending on what shells you get. See, there's a special place I get my shells. I can't actually give you the name because then it wouldn't be special anymore. You see, now she wants to take a second.
That one.
See that? That's what happens when it's fire. It's fire right here. It's fire, people. Fire. This is what happens when you eat food that is made and prepped by Reuben. Let's figure out how to make this. Follow me. So what we have here is a lot of stuff that I used. We have we have some salad in here. We have some cheese that I grinded by hand. Have some meat that I cooked. I'll show you how to do all of this over here. Got some rice, right? Some special ingredients in this rice to make it pop. Talk about that later. We got black beans. Also got some secret ingredients. I'll show you that stuff. And some of my favorite salsa, restaurant style. If you want your salsa to be restaurant style. That you should get the salsa that says restaurant style. I mean, it's pretty good marketed. It's pretty good. And then we have some sour cream. So I do have some other sour cream in my refrigerator where you have to get the spoon. I don't like that. So I found this, and all you have to do is, you zoom in real quick. It says just a squeeze. That's why I got it. Sold me right there. Just a squeeze. It's amazing. And put that all together and you got a nice burrito. You're welcome. What we're gonna do is actually start making the rice here, okay? So the instructions say, like what you need. So maybe this is, you're actually cooking for the family. Maybe it's just like a quick little snack. Depends on what you're doing. So for me, I'm just gonna do like a small serving of it. So what we need is a half cup of water. Then you just pour like so. Make sure that the correct eye is on. And then while that's heating up, what we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna have my guests come in and actually gonna help me. Hey, Madre, you've cooked for me for many decades of my life, many moons now, and I basically got this recipe from you, from years of cooking, and so it's a moment. I feel like I need like some violins to.
It's gonna be okay.
It's gonna be okay. Okay, it's gonna be okay.
We can get through this.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is actually start with the ground beef or ground turkey. Ground turkey is a little bit more healthy for you. So, Mom, if you could just cut like a little section of that.
All right.
Wait, hold on. I'm so sorry. We have to wash our hands. COVID-19. Don't let the Rona get you.
Ooh.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Watch it sizzle. Ready? I thought it was gonna be bigger than that. See, she knows what she's doing. What she's doing, she's actually, I'm gonna take this from you. She's separating it so it won't look like that on your burrito. Taco Bell's meat is it's really grounded up, stuff like that. You get it. Good job, Mom. So, Mom, since we're cooking, let's just talk a little bit.
All right.
When I was a kid, do you remember when I was chasing a leaf and this was and I ran into a fence? You remember that?
Where was this at?
This was on
Walnut or
I think so. It was after the greenhouse.
Yep.
Right? Where we had that middle
Walnut.
fence. Walnut.
Yep.
When we were on Walnut Street, I was chasing the leaf and we had this nice metal gate. And I was chasing the leaf and almost had it. Almost got it. And I didn't get it. What I got,
you ran into the
I ran into the fence. That's what happens. Sometimes you're chasing your dreams. Obstacles. I'm sorry, dang it. Oh God. Sometimes you're chasing your dreams and
you're gonna run into something.
You're gonna run into something. If you're not looking out, you need help sometimes. Someone would say, hey,
stay focused.
Be careful while you're out there chasing your dreams. Now that that's cooked a little bit, what we're gonna do is actually take some peppers here. We have some green peppers, some onions, some red peppers. Okay, wash your hand.
All right.
Okay. Today we're gonna be using what I call 3 staple seasonings. There's garlic seasoning, black pepper, and salt. Now, you can use salt or you can use seasoning salt. I like seasoning salt a lot better because it's seasoned. My seasoning cabinet is right here. So we have black pepper.
Right.
So go ahead and season that, Mother. We'll also have garlic coming at you hot. That's great. Coming at you hot. Then we also have some seasoning salt. Now I'll use Laurie's just because I like to say the name. Laurie.
Laurie.
It's amazing. Who is that? Laurie.
Somebody rich.
Somebody rich? My mom said that somebody's rich named Laurie. Laurie, if you're out here, thanks a billion. I've been using this seasoning for a while, just because it's mild. There it is again, those rhymes. Those rhymes are on time. Mom, can you do the honors and pour the seasoning?
I sure can.
What an expert there. What an expert. Great. Now it said 3/4 cups of water.
Oh, now I need to put all of them. Put.
Oh, I said 3. Oh, you're right. I see. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let this baby boil. You guys ready? Let's get cooking. So what we got here, we got some green peppers, some good old white onions, and here in the bottom we have some good old red peppers. So what we're gonna do, definitely be careful when you are cutting, guys, because knives are sharp. So make sure that if you are going to be doing this, that there's an adult nearby. Mom, can you be my adult and come nearby?
Yeah, but can I ask, where is the cutting board? Why are we cutting on the plate?
You know what? That's a great question. Can you cut this out? Great question. I'm not going to answer it. So, we're just going to cut on this plate because this is what we have. Okay? This is what we have. Gosh, some people. No, we cannot. This is the final take because I like this take. It's not about what you have. It's how you use it, darn it. You know what? Sometimes, growing up, we didn't have the sharpest knives in the tools shed. What is it? It's the shed. We didn't have the sharpest tools in the shed. But Dollar Tree was just fine. Right, Mother?
It was right.
It was right. She was there. It was her stuff. As long as you guys are being safe, you guys are having fun, that's all that matters. Remember the times. MJ. Next, what we're going to do is get the beans ready, right? But make sure you don't cut the beans in the kitchen. I mean the cheese, sorry. So we're just going to just twist this like so. About to put some muscle into it. There you go. If you hear that sound, it means you're doing it right. Now, if you see that, the can is open. Turn on, 3. Now, what we're going to do is get some ingredients to make the rice taste like. We want to make the rice taste nice. All right, just some nice rice there. Put some butter here. Like so. Not a whole lot, right? We want to be health conscious. There. Just like so. Add a little bit of salt for some flavor. Season it like so. And Mom, if you can come over here and help me here, because I got this from you. If you could just add as many, cilantro leaves as you think it needs.
Okay.
You go ahead, you do it your way, but just to make something clear, it's not your kitchen, it's actually my kitchen. Wow, it looks great. And then just let that sit for a little bit. Turn on low heat. There you go. Here. All right. It's 3. Yes, it is. All right. A magic number. What we're going to do now is make our beans taste like amazingness. I'm going to add some seasoning, but I actually have a slight secret. Don't tell no one. Garlic. Garlic here, you see that? Wow. And you're just gonna sprinkle that in there. Why am I sprinkling? Don't know. We'll put the whole thing in. This looks cool on camera. Seasoning salt. A little pepper. And then mix that up. We're gonna actually put all the ingredients on the burrito the way that I do it. Right? Some good meat that we just made and put it right there in the middle. So excited to eat this. So excited. Little white things in there. That's the garlic. All that. This is what yours will look like when you get like me. Some cheese. I actually shredded this cheese. Lettuce there. Took skill there. Delicioso. Here we go. Oh, be careful. We're gonna wrap it just like so. Take the edges, bring it all in the middle. We're gonna fold it. See that? Then we're gonna tuck. It's almost like fire drill class. What is it? Tuck and roll. And we're gonna roll just like so. Oh, wow. Look at that.
That's nice.
Perfection.
Oh, Lord.
Come here. Come try this. This is good. Well, hey guys, this is the end of our episode. I want to say thank you guys so much. Special thank you to my mother, my special guest today.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll see you next time. Make sure you guys are safe, and to keep the coronavirus away, the COVID-19. Go ahead and wash those hands, just like so. See you later.